I think simulation-based training shouldn't be a luxury anymore. It should be a must. For one, it's so much more readily accessible than it ever used to be. I noticed that it's accessible through different associations. I noticed that it's accessible through different educational institutions. And I'm even seeing it accessible now through mobile businesses that come to your office and even do your ACLS certification. Next to actually having to experience true mega codes, true emergent events with your team, it doesn't get any better than that. And when it's actually operated correctly, it's an amazing thing to witness some team members, especially individuals in a training status, initiation training status, to where they will experience that emotional hiccup, pause of having to all of a sudden now do all of these things that we talk about and teach, and not have somebody just sitting there, okay, do this, do this, do this, do this. And that is insanely valuable. Every single human, when put in a situation, we all fall to the level of our training. There's no such thing as just rising to the occasion. You have to have at least some level of training. And that's why it's so valuable. And right now, the ACLS guidelines requirements say that we need to be recertified every 2 years. I would honestly encourage providers and at least their team leads or surgical leads to do the training once a year. I know it sounds like a pain, but I find it to be extremely valuable. Or at the very least, be running very serious drills, bare minimum once a month, even more ideally every 2 weeks in your office, and keep those skills fresh, and then really instill that confidence in the team. So then something happens, it's not just you that knows what you're doing. Everybody else just jumps into gear. And you'll see that the team members, instead of first having an emotional response, they'll jump in and have an action response. And then the emotions come afterwards when everything's done. That's human nature, but it works. It works so much better.